What's up, everybody? For today's trick, a lot of people, y'all been talking about the new Jeep Grand Cherokees, and they're gonna have to take off the whole front cover and the light just to get to your light. That's not true. I got big hands, and we're gonna do this together. You got a bolt right here that you're gonna pry up. You're gonna take off your air filter cover, just a screw. Pop this off. I've already kind of taken off a couple of things. And then you're gonna take off your air filter, make sure it's clean. If it ain't, go ahead, replace it whenever you can. Now we're gonna gently pry up. And then we're gonna get your whole housing from your air duct up out of here. Cool. And then boom, guess what? You just got to the biggest part of this, but guess what? I kind of cheated on y'all a little bit. I had already took this out. You gotta get your hand up in there and turn that sucker like this. Either like this or like this. Somebody could have put it in wrong, and then you gotta fidget with it. But I believe in you. Once you get back there, literally you're gonna twist it off. And then make sure that plug is kinda out. Cause if it is in there, pop that puppy up out of there. It's gonna make it so much easier. And then boom. How you gonna get it back in? I know you're wondering, I am too, but we gonna do this together. This is where I just thought to make this video with y'all. We gonna help by, I'm gonna try to put it up in there. It's a circle. I'm gonna round this out. Right up in there. Sorry about the camera angle, y'all. But let me see. That's your high beams. And that one right there, that's where you're gonna put in your light bulb. So I'm gonna put it in right here. All right, now that it's in, I'm gonna start twisting until it starts getting tension in there. And it should plug right up. I think I felt something. I'm gonna just keep on twisting. It should literally lock right into place. And if it don't, you gotta keep on going until it do. Oh. I know, guys, I'm working with y'all too. I'm having just as much as difficultness as you. But I'd be damned if I pay $800 or something just to. Nah, we ain't doing that. There we go. And now you're gonna push up. I hope I'm going in the right direction. Let's try to do it downwards. Nope, you gotta push it upwards. And when I say upwards, I mean literally like this. Actually, I kind of want to see what it look like with it like this. All right, y'all, hold on. Let me check it out for y'all. Right here, y'all. Come on, right here. I literally had to go back up in there and get this pigtail out. Connect this. Don't touch that bulb for nothing, y'all. Let me find the hole first, sorry. As y'all can hear, I'm in the right location. And I think I got mine up in there. To make sure. But when I tell you it's a tight spot, it is a tight spot. But keep in mind, I got fat hands, so you may not. All right, let's hit that key. Come on around here. Let's see if it works. It works. All right, y'all. So I know y'all wondering, what about the other side? Listen, you only get one for free. No, just all right, we're gonna get to it right now. Hold on. All right, y'all. So I went in through here, and of course, there is what we're trying to get to. Boom, right there, right? So you know what I did? I took this and I pried that puppy up out of there on the side. And now we have nothing but access to this bulb. Booyah. Watch out now. And boom, there you are. So now you need to go ahead and pop that puppy out and get your new one in. Let's go ahead and put it in. All right, y'all. So what we gonna do is I'm gonna pre-plug everything in. Oh my. It is very tight up in here, but pre-plug everything in and then put it back where its little home is. We're gonna do everything we just did oppositely. So if you gotta go up in there with your, what's the name? So be it. It's in there and then just push up. And make sure it's flush and it should move. Just like so. And that's it, everybody. Y'all got it. I know you do. I believe in you. But I guess to go.